Number 1. 1988 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 Chopper, $6,000, Charlottesville, Virginia. The 1988 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper combines classic Harley-Davidson heritage with high-performance custom engineering, creating a unique machine that stands out from traditional Sportsters. Built around a Buell-powered engine and featuring a professionally constructed hardtail frame, this custom motorcycle reflects the craftsmanship and individuality that define the American chopper scene. According to the seller, it is titled as a 1988 Sportster 883, but is powered by a 1996 Buell 1200 engine upgraded with a 1250 hammer kit, Mikuni carburetor, and several premium components. The motorcycle reportedly starts, runs, and rides flawlessly, with professional fabrication throughout. For enthusiasts seeking a well-built custom Harley with serious performance, this chopper is an impressive find. Number 2. 1962 BSA Super Rocket 650, $5,000, Sheboygan, Wisconsin. The 1962 BSA Super Rocket 650 is one of the most respected British motorcycles of its era, known for its lively parallel twin engine, timeless styling, and strong performance. As a flagship model in BSA's lineup during the early 1960s, this Super Rocket continues to be highly sought after by collectors who appreciate classic British engineering. According to the seller, this motorcycle is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and comes with a title in hand. While only limited details are provided, its originality and desirable model designation make it an attractive opportunity. For buyers searching for a collectible vintage BSA, this Super Rocket is certainly worth considering. Number 3. 1972 Yamaha RD 350, $4,400, Columbia, Missouri. The 1972 Yamaha RD 350 is one of the most legendary two-stroke sport motorcycles ever produced, celebrated for its lightweight handling, lively performance, and unmistakable exhaust note. Its racing heritage and strong aftermarket support have made the RD 350 a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts for decades. According to the seller, this example features a 1972 frame with a rebuilt 1974 engine, upgraded digital ignition, new carburetors, fresh battery, aftermarket rear shocks, and expansion chambers. Original components are also included, along with additional spare engine parts. While it could benefit from new tires and drivetrain components, this RD 350 offers an exciting opportunity to own an iconic two-stroke classic. Number 4. 1988 BMW R100 RT Monolever, $3,200, Richmond, Virginia. The 1988 BMW R100 RT Monolever is a classic air-cooled touring motorcycle admired for its smooth boxer twin engine, dependable engineering, and exceptional long-distance comfort. As one of BMW's well-regarded airhead models, the R100 RT continues to attract riders who value timeless design and practical reliability. The seller reports that this motorcycle runs great and is in nice overall condition, with the fairing currently removed but included along with all original wiring. It also comes with the complete set of factory saddlebags, while only a small dent on the fuel tank is noted. For enthusiasts looking for an affordable vintage BMW tourer, this R100 RT offers outstanding value. Number 5. 1973 Suzuki GT-185, $2,150, Anderson, Indiana. The 1973 Suzuki GT-185 is a lightweight two-stroke twin that earned a reputation for dependable performance, easy handling, and everyday practicality during the early 1970s. Equipped with Suzuki's reliable oil injection system and ram air engine design, the GT-185 remains a favorite among collectors of classic Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, this example starts easily, runs smoothly throughout the RPM range, and features both electric and kick-starting systems in proper working order. It also includes a newer battery, functioning lights, the original owner's manual, and a clean title. For buyers searching for an affordable vintage two-stroke that's ready to ride, this GT-185 is a very appealing option. Number 6. 1967 Triumph Tiger 650, $6,500, Alpharetta, Georgia. The 1967 Triumph Tiger 650 is a classic British twin celebrated for its lightweight performance, timeless styling, and unmistakable parallel twin character. Models from this era remain highly desirable among collectors, especially when paired with tasteful custom modifications that preserve their vintage appeal. According to the seller, this example has been transformed into a hardtail bobber while retaining its right-side shift configuration for an authentic UK riding experience. It also features Sportster front forks with a disc brake conversion and a lightweight anti-gravity lithium battery. Although the speedometer is not working properly, this custom Tiger offers a distinctive blend of classic British heritage and old-school bobber style. Number 7. 1977 Kawasaki KZ 650, $1,800, Fishers, Indiana. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ 650 is widely regarded as one of the best balanced Japanese motorcycles of the late 1970s, combining reliable four-cylinder performance with sporty handling and everyday practicality. Its strong reputation has made the KZ 650 a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts and restoration hobbyists alike. According to the seller, this is a solid and largely original motorcycle that has been sitting for several years without an attempt to start it. The fuel tank is described as very clean, and the bike appears to be in respectable condition overall. For buyers looking for an affordable classic Kawasaki project, this KZ 650 offers an excellent foundation. Number 8. 1953 BSA Bantam D2, $3,850, Newborn, Georgia. The 1953 BSA Bantam D2 is one of Britain's most recognizable lightweight motorcycles, appreciated for its simple engineering, economical operation, and important place in post-war motorcycling history. The Bantam introduced thousands of riders to motorcycling and remains a charming collectible for enthusiasts of early British classics. According to the seller, this motorcycle has been completely rebuilt and is reported to run and ride well. Its restored condition and vintage styling make it an attractive choice for collectors or anyone looking to enjoy a classic motorcycle with genuine historical appeal. Number 9. 1967 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead Custom, $5,000, Addison, Illinois. The 1967 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead is an iconic American V-twin that represents one of the most sought-after eras of the Sportster lineup. Known for its rugged construction, unmistakable exhaust note, and endless customization potential, the Ironhead continues to hold a special place among Harley enthusiasts. According to the seller, this custom motorcycle was built years ago by Kid Customs and has been garage-kept and carefully maintained ever since. It still runs and rides, comes with a clean title, and only requires minor work before regular use. For buyers searching for a vintage custom Harley with authentic old-school character, this Ironhead is a standout opportunity. Number 10. 1973 Kawasaki G5 100, $500, Brooklyn, Michigan. The 1973 Kawasaki G5 100 is a lightweight two-stroke motorcycle remembered for its simple design, dependable engine, and approachable performance. These small displacement classics have become increasingly popular among collectors thanks to their vintage styling, mechanical simplicity, and enjoyable restoration potential. According to the seller, this motorcycle has been stored in a barn for more than 30 years and currently kicks over and shifts but does not run. It is missing the key and will need tires along with mechanical attention before returning to the road. For enthusiasts looking for an inexpensive vintage Kawasaki restoration project, this G5 100 offers plenty of potential.